Is it recording? What's up, Mananap? And today we're gonna have a bike check. So first of all, we're gonna start in our handlebars. So my handlebars is the FIEND Reynolds 9.25 rise with the Colt Vance grips. Then down to my stem is the enemy stem version 2. I think it's 45 millimeter, I guess. Then my fork is Fit Forge version 2 with a Fit top cup and some Bsd headset. Down to my front wheel set, I have the PRIMO balance hub with the PRIMO HUBGUARDS. Then two run 4.4 millimeter pegs. Then we have the feet rims, then Bsd DONNASTREET tires. And let's go with a frame. So I have the Bsd Alvx Donaki version 3 frame with a neon yellow color. The top tube is 20.3, yeah. Then 12.5 chainstay slam, and I have the federal cranks, 160 millimeter. Then PRIMO JJ PALMERE pedals with the federal bottom bracket. Then I have the Reynolds FIEND 25 teeth sprocket with a bush guard on it, nylon bush guard. Then but down to my back wheel set, I have the Fit version 2 clutch pre-coaster with a universal hub guard cinema on the left, and on the right is the ODYSSEY universal hub guard. I have two Fit PVC pegs. I think it's 4.5 millimeter also. Then I have the Fit rim. Then I have the Bsd Donas quick tire 2.3. And for my seat, I have a federal lacy seat with ODYSSEY tripod post. And so that's the end of my video. So don't forget to hit the like button below and smash the subscribe button. Also hit the notification bell for more content. And thanks for subscribing. Peace. So by the way, this video, I would like to thank the government of the Philippines, especially our President Rodrigo Duterte, for helping all the people that in need in the Philippines. And for my part, it's really overwhelming to hear that the president is in our side, and he did not left anyone in the country. So God bless to you, Mr. President, and stay safe for this COVID-19 pandemic. And I'll see you soon, guys. Peace.